Now we can go live across to that Shora Medical Center. Yasin Malik of the JKLF standing by. Mr. Malik, thanks so much for joining us. Firstly, you've been there at the hospital. What can you tell us about the condition of Fazal Haq Qureshi tonight?
It is not a bullet injury. And doctors have reached to the conclusion, their medical judgment is that it is not a bullet. They could not find a bullet in his brain. They have reached to the conclusion that he has been hit severely on the back of his head. His brain is damaged. Now they have completed his surgery, but his hopes of survival has increased because before 2 years back their medical judgment was he cannot survive because there is a bullet in his brain, but they could not find a bullet in his brain, and they have reached to the conclusion that it is not bullet injury.
All right, sir, it's not a bullet injury. As far as the peace talks itself is concerned, many believe that this was an effort to derail that discreet peace talks. What can you tell us about the talks with the Indian government?
See, I will tell you one thing. As far as this act is concerned, it is purely an inhuman, brutal act. Whosoever did it, he cannot call himself to be a part of human society. I condemn this act.
But Mr. Malik, the question really, what kind of impact is this going to have on any kind of a peace process between the Hurriyat, between the JKLF and the centre? This is obviously a direct message to those who they believe are in that talks.
I do not know what is the message, but I would like to tell you one thing. We believe in certain principles, we believe in certain ideology, so nobody can threaten us while we are pursuing our ideas and ideology. So I told you this is purely an inhuman, brutal act,
right,
and whosoever did it, he cannot call himself to be a part of human society.
Right, so you are saying that the peace talks will continue with the government of India?
See, I do not know yet about the peace process. The peace process is still going on in the media. So, but I am telling you that nobody can threaten any person if he is pursuing certain ideas and ideology.
Which means, Mr. Malik, that there is a process that is on which you are also part of. Why is it that we are not speaking about it openly, at least on a day when those who don't want that to go on have taken their first hit?
So why you want to put your words into my mouth? I am telling you the truth. That I am telling the truth is that this person who was without any kind of a security, he is in this movement from last 4 decades, and he has been hit very badly, and whosoever did it, it is purely an inhuman, brutal act.
All right. Mr. Malik, clearly there is some kind of a threat, an attack on what are called moderate separatist leaders there in Srinagar. Are you worried about your own security? Are you going to look for more security now?
Suhasini, you know me better than any person knows me. I have never accepted security. There has been 6 attempts on my life from state, and there has been few attempts in 94 when I start a unilateral ceasefire, which was the biggest ever decision in the history of Jammu and Kashmir. I have never accepted security, neither I will ever accept the security.
All right. Yasin Malik, thanks so much for joining us there at the Shora Medical Center, telling us actually that the condition of Fazal Haq Qureshi seems to be a little improved. Doctors saying that they have completed the surgery, but they can't really say anything more than that he's critical right now.